Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to live wallpaper on your Android mobile. Firstly, open the Play Store and then search for live wallpaper. Then select any high rated app, then install. After the installation, tap open and tap accept and continue. Tap on the live wallpaper of your choice. After the downloading, then tap share. Wait the downloading and tap single mode. Then tap set wallpapers. Here's two options. This wallpaper set on home screen or home screen and lock screen. But I'm selecting home screen. I'm go to home screen. Now wallpaper is installed and enjoy.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.